Students, does MPH add any value to the USMLE CV? Well, not really. One should pursue MPH only if he or she is passionate about epidemiology, public health, and research. But utilizing MPH degree for a gateway to US residency might not be a wise choice. Why? Because as of now, there are a lot of new opportunities like medical research fellowships where students can work and possibly earn on a J1 visa and also network with clinical professionals. Secondly, MPH programs are expensive. So at times, if you calculate the living expenditure in pursuing an MPH program and the tuition fee, it might be a wiser option to pursue a PG in India in one of the private medical college. Cost benefit analysis says that if you have a PG from India, you have a fallback option to work in India as well. And also, you can enter the American job market and American system via both fellowship and the residency pathway if you were to have an Indian PG degree, medical clinical PG degree. And which is why MPH at this point of time does not look an attractive option for a gateway to a US residency program.